Starting your YouTube journey today is a crucial step towards unlocking your full potential for personal growth and creativity. The advantages are enormous, and I'm excited to help you to take this first step. But this journey can be a bit challenging, especially if you have zero experience. But in this video, I'm going to be walking you through steps that can make this journey easy and seamless for you. The first step you want to take in beginning your YouTube journey is choosing a niche. Now, this is simply what you want to be talking about on YouTube. There are different niches on YouTube. We have health, real estate, music, relationship, comedy, and so on. The number one mistake you want to make on YouTube is not choosing a niche. Don't talk about cooking today and tomorrow you're talking about real estate. It's going to confuse the algorithm to know who to push your content to. You have to choose a niche and stick to it. But if you feel like talking about multiple things, then you can as well consider creating multiple channels. One other thing you need to know about YouTube niches is that your niche actually determines how much YouTube is going to pay you per 1,000 views, which is known as CPM, cost per mile. So not everyone on YouTube is being paid equally. So you want to make deep research about YouTube niches before choosing anyone so that you will not be disappointed in the end. Number 2 step in embarking on this journey is opening a YouTube account. To open a YouTube account, you need an email. You can sign in into YouTube with any email you want, but I would advise you to use an old email to create your YouTube channel because you will definitely have enough watch history on that email account with YouTube. But if you want to use a new email account to create a channel, you have to make sure that that email account is about 1 month old and all the Google security settings are completed, because this might just limit your reach on YouTube. YouTube is trying to limit bots running on their platform. So if all these things are not in place, YouTube might be a bit careful with your channel. They might just be observing you. So you want to do these things that will favor you rather than making your journey longer. Number 3 thing you need to do in this journey is optimizing your channel. You need a channel description, a channel tag, a channel banner, and a channel name. When these things are in place, it helps the algorithm to be able to understand your channel better. Even your channel banner is very important because the YouTube algorithm can read through text. So it knows and understands whatever is being written in your channel banner. If you're using a phone, I will show you how you can access the desktop version of YouTube Studio, and that's where you're going to be able to make all these settings. All you need to do now is to head straight to your browser, preferably Google Chrome, and you type in YouTube Studio desktop site, long press and open a new tab. Then go and look for the new tab, open it and click on continue in Studio. It will bring you to YouTube Studio. Then come down here to setting, then click on channel. First we have the basic info. You go ahead and pick your country, then come here and add your channel tags. Now these are the keywords that describe your channel. Then you move next to the advanced setting. You are going to indicate if your channel is made for kids, then move to feature eligibility. This standard feature would have been automatically enabled. The next is intermediate features. Without turning on these features, you will not be able to upload a video longer than 15 minutes. You will not be able to add a thumbnail, and you won't be able to do live stream. So this feature is very important, and the way to turn on this feature is by verifying your phone number. Now also you need to turn on the advanced mode so that you will be able to apply for monetization when you're eligible and enjoy all these listed features here. For you to be able to access these things, you can either use video verification, valid ID, or channel history. All the accounts I've ever opened, I've always been using video verification. You might also want to try that too. You can also come to customization to upload your channel banner. You can use Canva to create a banner for yourself and upload it here. That's basically the main setting you need to put in place. Number 4 thing you will need in this journey is gathering equipment. First, you need a camera. I would advise you to film in either HD or 4K. You can use your phone or a camera. If you want to start with a phone, iPhone is one of the best phones that you can use to start your YouTube journey, because the camera is really good. You mustn't have all the money to buy the latest iPhone. Anything from iPhone 10 upward is very okay for filming. Another equipment you'll be needing in this YouTube journey is a mic. Audio is a very important part of your video making. Bad audio can put your audience off. Try to buy an external mic. I'm currently using K11. It's not really expensive, even though it's not the best of mic. There are mics that are far better than this, but I'm just starting with what I can afford. So you can also do that as well. Start with what you can afford. The most important thing that you're started already, and later you can get all those fancy equipment. Another very important part of your video making is your script. If you're having challenges in coming up with a script, you can ask ChatGPT to come up with a script for you. But you have to edit the script to something that makes sense, because ChatGPT is a robot and is not 100% accurate. Also, you want to run scripts gotten from ChatGPT through a website called copyscape.com. It helps you to know whether a script is copyright free or not. But 5 things you have to consider in this journey is your video optimization. That has to do with your title, thumbnail, tags, and description and hashtags. Your title, tags, description, and hashtags make your audience find your video, and your thumbnail and title makes them decide whether they're going to click on your video or click on another person's video. So you have to be very intentional about these things, and most especially your thumbnail and title, because no matter how beautiful your video is, if your audience are not clicking on your video and they're not watching it, nobody will be able to find out that your video is great, and your video might just be a living ghost on YouTube. So video optimization is very important. The 6th thing you want to consider in this journey is consistency. The algorithm favors active users, so you want to upload at least once a week or thrice in a month, depending on how you're able. But anyhow you want to do it, just try your best to be consistent. Now, I would advise you as a beginner that you should focus more on quality than quantity. This will help you to grow faster. The 7th thing you want to consider in this journey is trying to make research about the pitfalls of new YouTubers. This is currently my 4th channel because I made terrible mistakes in 3 of my previous channels that healed down the channels. So you might also want to check this video so that you won't make the mistakes I have made. I fell into many common pitfalls and mistakes of new YouTubers. I was fooled and deceived by fellow YouTubers. So when you begin to get conversant on this platform, you will see that there are a lot of YouTubers that will tell you to do this, do that, do this. So you won't know which way to follow. So I advise you to watch this video so that it will help you not to make these mistakes that I have made. The 8th thing you want to consider in this journey is patience and trusting in God. YouTube requires patience, especially waiting for the algorithm to match your content with the right audience. And you have to pray and trust God, because without God, all your efforts will be fruitless, and God has to breathe on it for it to be worth anything. So please like this video, subscribe to this channel. All I talk about in this channel is about YouTube setup. My name is Marvelous Sunday. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in another video.